Hey there! In this video, I'll show you how to make an amazing PPT design using donut shapes. Simple, creative, and eye-catching. Let's start. First, open a new page. Right-click on the page and choose Layout, then select Blank Page. Next, go to the Insert menu bar and click Shapes. Select the donut shape and adjust its size using your mouse. Now, change the color to black and remove the border of the shape. Then, add a half donut shape and attach both shapes together. Now, change the shape's color to white for a clean and simple look. Now, add a few icons that match your topic to make the slide more attractive. Copy the slide. We need a total of 5 slides. Right-click and choose Copy, then Paste. If you want, you can also use the keyboard shortcut, Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V. Now, rotate each half donut shape one by one on every slide to create a nice animation effect. Let's add morph transitions to the slides. Click Apply All. Add some text to all slides under the slide topic icons, placing it under the icons for the respective topics. Now, take a look at the results of the PPT design. Press F5 to start the slideshow. Add some color to the text if you like. Take a look at the results of the PPT design. Press F5 to start the slideshow.